Hi, Jen Collins here with Inviting Interiors. If you are going to be doing a remodel or a renovation or adding an addition or even a new home build, you will get a nice long list of things you need to select for your fixtures and finishes from your contractor for your project. And depending on the size of your project, that list can literally be 1,000 decisions long. Now, some people get overexcited at that list and they run out and they start buying stuff left and right, and some people get completely overwhelmed before they finished reading it. But however it makes you feel, there's a couple different ways to work on that list. And I've found that the most common way, and this is the worst, is that they will make their selections in the order that their contractor has given them deadlines. And those deadlines are based on the order that the contractor is going to install them. But here's the thing. The order of installation has nothing to do with the order that things get decided on in the design phase of a project. The order that we'll choose them in the design phase is with some very specific outcomes in mind. That is staying on budget and making sure we meet the mandates of function and aesthetics. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or stuck, or you've bought some things and you're not sure that they're going to work well together, I recommend bringing in an interior designer. We will be the biggest ROI on your project because we're kind of an insurance policy. We can help you avoid making mistakes, and we can help you not miss some of the design and function opportunities. As an interior designer, I can look at your floor plans and I can see the space three-dimensionally in my head. I can see the proportions and know how it's going to flow, and I can identify which elements are statement worthy and which ones you might want to downplay, and which items you might want to splurge on and where you can save your money. And I'll be able to show you the fixtures and the finishes that are going to wear well, that'll be durable, that are going to age well, that they'll be as timeless as possible, and they will all be in undertones that agree well. Now, the way I like to work is in 2 or 3 hour appointments, and that all depends on a couple things. How long your list is, how many things you need to select, how fast you are at making decisions, and how quickly you develop decision fatigue. And we would meet at a showroom or a model home or wherever your contractor recommends. That's the best place that we can pull physical samples, and we can see how each component is going to impact each and every other one. And when we lay all of those out on the table and you can see that there's a cohesive whole that is going to give you that vision that you have in your head for your space, you'll be completely confident in your decisions, and you will know that you will have a space that is absolutely perfect for you. So if you'd like to hear more, I'm always happy to chat. I would happily answer your questions or just hear about your project. So give me a buzz. All my contact info will be in the notes. And I look forward to some feedback. So leave me a comment. All right, let's talk soon. Take care. Bye.